Right, we have the 2013 Proto Reflex rail, and I'm going to do an unboxing. I have the PGA Neon. Got it at the PSP World Cup. You got your die lube, Allen wrenches or keys, 2-piece Proto barrel. I got an exalt grip down there, I haven't put on yet. And finally, the PGA Neon Proto Reflex rail, 2013. And here you got your color manual. It's fine. Full color. Warranty card. And nice O-ring kit, colored, so you can't really get mixed up. And let me bring out the gun and put it together. So there it is, Reflex rail, 2013. Turn it on for you. Like that. Turn the eyes off. I have it on PSP 12.5. Alright. And I'll put the barrel on for you, and then we'll go. Take a second. Alright, there it is, 2013 Proto Reflex rail. Hope to do a shooting video soon. Thank you.